Now, I'll teach you how to set up your passcode. Once again, open up your app, go into the passcode. As you can see, there are no passcodes here, just add the add button. So right now you can see that there's a passcode name. Just give yourself a name. So then I'll name it Tan again. And for passcode number, I'm just going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4. You can set any kind of passcode from 4 to 24 digits. Oh, in this case, the password already exists. So in this case, I'll set it up as 9080. So now it's successfully added. Now we can test out the password. 9080. And as you see as that, the door is unlocked.